Hello everyone, welcome to College of Design and Engineering. I'm Harini, a Year 4 Material Science and Engineering student. And with me, I have...
Hi, I'm Yuening, a Year 2 Engineering Science student. Today we're giving you a quick tour around our favorite learning spaces around CDE.
Okay, come with us. Okay, so this is the first place we are exploring. It's a study space at EA. People or students usually come here to do work together after their lectures at LT7A and Engineering Auditorium. And there's study table spots from level 1 all the way to level 3.
Yeah, I always come here to study with my friends.
Oh yeah, me too. And actually my lecture theatre is there for my lessons. Do you want to go see?
Sure.
So this is one of the lecture theatres our courses usually take place.
Oh, fun fact.
In NUS CDE campus, we have a total of 15 lecture theatres and many other learning venues, such as hybrid room, active learning room, blended learning room, and seminar rooms, and many more.
Around CDE, you will see artworks and installations like these.
Yeah, and this particular one is done by Jason Ong in collaboration with CDE. It features natural elements and scanning electron microscopy images. This artwork really epitomizes the seamless integration of design and engineering elements with the scanning electron microscopy images of natural systems such as crystals, cells, and molecules, and so on. So this is the space bar, also known as the CDE pit stop, where friends come to chill in between their classes and hang out and relax in this space.
This place has a pool table, air hockey, a lot of board games, and also a Nintendo Switch available for booking.
Yeah, and it's open from 9:30 AM to 5 PM on weekdays.
Only for students. Bye. This is also one of our favorite spots, a cafe combined with a study area.
So if you want the cafe vibes while studying at the same time, then this is the perfect location.
This is also where our wellness workshop locates.
And we also have the Office of Student Life here, where students can go for procuring items for their club and activities, and also for well-being methods. Yuening, do you know there's something hidden behind us in this garden?
Hidden?
Yeah, we have our very own barbecue pit, so students can book it for their social gatherings and have good food together.
Ooh, you know what's cooler downstairs?
We should go. Let's go.
This is the newly launched CDE Students Community Space, located at Techno Age Level 2.
This space is specifically designed for students to connect, create, and collaborate.
Now let's go down to our canteen.
So we are here at Techno Age, and my personal favourite here is the mala. What's yours?
Ooh, I love the beef noodle and the noodle sauce.
So with that, I think we should head over to SDE 3, right?
Let's go.
So we are here at the SDE, where you have architecture and design with a lot of greenery spaces surrounding us.
This studio supports design work, model making, and discussion, all within a creative and inspiring environment. This is SDE 4, a net zero building designed with sustainability in mind.
Well, do you know it's net positive now?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and in this building, you'll find industrial design studios and project spaces where students work on prototypes and design their projects. So we have come to the end of the tour, and well, CDE is a place where design meets engineering and students can turn ideas into real-world impact.
We hope this trip will give you a glimpse to the life and learning inside College of Design and Engineering.
And we look forward to welcoming you to CDE.
See you at NUS.
Bye!